Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Oh, I want one of these, the DC5. It's like the ultimate Honda wet dream for me. They are so nice. There's our Richard in the Dyno. So right, I better drive this up on the onto the rollers. Here we go. Well, there she is in all her glory. It's time to strap her down to the dyno, and we'll go through the modifications that she's got, as we always do. See what we can make. What a stunning car. Modified car. Now, if you've got a modified car and you want to save 15% on your modified car insurance, all you need to do is go and get hold of Greenlight Insurance, which is www.greenlightinsurance.co.uk. Mention Dynodaze and shebang, 15% off your premium. Now, a load of my friends have already done this. They've saved, one guy saved 150 quid, one phone call. That's pretty impressive, I think. And there's a lot of modified cars out there, and we deal with a lot of modified cars. We know that premiums are always going up, and we know that it's an expense that we don't really like, do we? No one likes paying for car insurance. I don't personally like paying for fuel, well, or anything. I don't even like paying for coffee. But the point is, if you want to save a load of money, Greenlight, car insurance, mention Dynodaze. Cheers, guys. Okay, so because we have to do an ECU exchange on these, but we use the original ECU. So the ECU that actually turned up in this car is the one that we must put the board in. So for the purposes of this, we actually started today on one of our base maps. So this next part of the video is our overrun that we normally do, but it will be the overrun from today's tuning on top of one of our own base map files. So base map gets us in the ballpark, and then we custom tune on the dyno. So the next part of the video will be just an overlay of basically before and after with our own base file. So here we go. I hope I've explained that correctly. that'll do that then, Rich. Beauty. I want one of these, you know.
You can't afford one.
Yeah, I know that. I know that. I'm well aware. If I owned 3 FN2s, maybe I'd be able to sell all of them and afford one of these.
Maybe.
Unfortunately, I've only got one. DC5.
Yeah.
I like these.
They're nice, aren't they? I mean, like Dan was talking about earlier, we've done an ECU exchange, so fortunately we haven't got where this car was in standard form, because generally people drop them off and they're in a bit of a rush for them, so it's like they're out in the post, away it goes, comes back, and then obviously we're mapping, so it's sort of, we generally don't get to do a stock power run, which is a bit of a shame, but I suspect that obviously it's made power. They're 225 stock, isn't they? So it has got some mods on it. It's got a RBC on it. It looks like it's got a bit of a throttle body on it, different silicon to go to the stock airbox. I'm assuming it's got a 4-to-1 manifold on it, and some form of exhaust. We're not entirely sure what, because we...
Fujitsu exhaust.
Oh, there you go. That's what exhaust is then. Yeah, so made a right pad, didn't it? I mean, almost 240, I think.
240?
Yeah, so really happy with that. I can't see the customer being, can't see the customer being unhappy with that. Should have given some more power in the mid-range.
Yeah, he's gonna love it, ain't he?
It's just unfortunately we can't see it on the graph, so we're gonna have to.
Yeah, we could only, like I explained, we could only see from our base file that we have.
Yeah.
That we start with to get us in the ballpark before we start tuning. We can see a gain on that, but either way,
come on, see, he's gonna be the telltale.
Yeah,
he drives
for sure. The verdict will be his.
Yeah,
but it will. I'm sure it drives incredible. It's a great car. It's tuned now, so he didn't want any flames or pops and bangs, which is fine. But yeah,
I was disappointed.
Oh yeah, I
don't listen to a word he says to you.
I am disappointed. You know, it's my favourite bit. It's the bit that makes my willy fizz. So, but yeah, great car. I want one. I can't afford one, but maybe if I work harder or something, maybe one day.
You can have one.
When I grow up, maybe one day I can have one of these. I can't see that ever happening, but I'll give it a go at some point.
I think they're just going to keep going up in price, aren't they?
Yeah. By the time I could afford one of these, my kids would have pushed me into a volcano, wheeled me into a volcano.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but brilliant. Do you want to look at the graph?
Let's have a look at it.
Let's look at the graph. So there we have it, guys. 240 brake horsepower, bang on. What a motor. Absolutely love it. If you've got a DC5, bring it down for me to drool over. But other than that, we can obviously tune them. We've got exhausts, inlet manifolds, induction kits, etc. Service, anything you need, suspension, brakes, you name it. We'd be happy to have another one of these beautiful machines in our workshop. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Well, indeed.
See you in a bit.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.